Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, Hiswa. Friends, this is mathematics lecture, class 6, chapter number 10, ratio, proportional and unitary method. But friends, here in this video session, we will discuss about the unitary method. First, what the unitary method is, then afterwards we will move to solve a couple of questions of exercise 10c. So friends, let's get started. Here friends, as you can see on the board, unitary method. First, how to solve the questions with the help of unitary method. So in this method friends, first we have to find the value of one unit, okay, then find the value of required number of units. So that's known as the unitary method. So in this method friends, we need two things. First, in order to get the more quantity, that means in order to get the more things we have to multiply, or in order to get the less, that means we have to divide. So in this method we use two operations, first multiplication and division, okay. And now we will solve friends some questions of exercise 10c, then you will get more clear about the methods, how the methods apply. So now let's take it started. Now see friends, question number 1 says, if the cost of 14 meter of cloth is rupees 1890, find the cost of 6 meter of cloth. Now friends, this question we're going to solve unitary method, and in unitary method friends, first we have to find the value of one unit. That means here then we have to find the value of required number of units. Here the required number of units friends 6 meter. So first friends, we have to find the value of one unit, means that we have to find the value of 1 meter, okay. Here friends, if we get the last of this sentence, here the last 6 meter, so here first we have to find the value of 1 meter, then afterwards multiply with 6, we will get the required solution. Now here friends, क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि यदि 14 मीटर क्लॉथ्स की कीमत कितनी है 1890 रुपया, तो मुझे फाइंड करना है कि 6 मीटर का क्या रेट होगा, ओके. सिंपल फ्रेंड्स. नाउ सिंस राइट सिंस 40 meters of the cost of 14 meters of cloth, the cost of 14 meter of cloth is equal to friends 1890 rupees, and we have to find, this is the written statement and I copy as it is friends. Now we have to find the value of 1 unit, means we have to find the value of 1 meter, then find the required number of meters, okay friends. Now therefore the cost of 1 meter of cloth, one, रिमेंबर फ्रेंड्स 14 मीटर क्लॉथ की कीमत इतनी है, तो 1 मीटर का क्लॉथ तो रेट कम होगा ना. डेट मीन्स वी नीड टू फाइंड द लेस, एंड लेस मीन्स फ्रेंड्स वी हैव टू डिवाइड. सो डेट मीन्स फ्रेंड्स दिस नंबर, दिस अमाउंट इज डिवाइडेड बाय दिस नंबर, सो दिस इज व्हाई वी divided this by 14, okay. So this is rupees. Now and now hence we have to find the number of required 6 meter, okay. Then इसलिए therefore the cost of 6 meter friends, first we have to find the value of 1 unit, then we have to find the value of 1 unit, means एक में find करेंगे, then we have to find the required number 6 meter. इसलिए now remember friends, here we need the more things. More means multiply, and if you think friends 1 meter is itna, then 6 meter is, that means it will get the more means multiply. Here we have to multiply, this is right as it is, and now multiply with 6 meter. This is friends total rupees. Now calculate friends, here 2 7 ja friends, 2 7 ja, and this is 2 3 ja. Now we will we get 1890 multiply by 3 divided by 7. Now see friends, 7 2 ja 14, here friends 7 2 ja 14, 4 is balance, 7 7 ja 49, 1 times 0. Now multiply 270 with 3 0, 3 7 21, 2 is balance, yani 880 rupees. Hence we can find, hence the answer is 810 rupees. This is the cost of 6 meter of cloth. So this is answer. Now see friends, question number second says, if the cost of a dozen soaps is 284.60 rupees, what will be the cost of 15 such soap? This question is same as question number 1 friends. Okay, now first we have to find the value of 1 unit. So here friends, decide, this number will decide what about, this is a 15 soap, that means we have to find the cost of 1 soap friends, then multiply with 15, and hence we will get the answer this question. But here friends, here is the number of soap is given 15, but here is the soap is written is dozen, and you know friends 1 dozen is equal to 12 things. So that means here the cost of 12 soaps is given. Okay, now since friends the cost of, write a copy as it is, the cost of 12 soaps means dozen, a dozen friends. Why friends? Because here is the, we have to find the value of 15 such soap. So this is 1 dozen, so we have to convert 1 dozen as number of quantities. So this is 12. Okay, now the cost of 12 soaps, that means 1 dozen, is equal to what friends? 285.60 rupees. Okay, now so therefore we have to find the 1 unit friends. First value, the cost of 1 soap is equal to friends, because we need the less, so we have to divide this by 12, and this is divided by 12 rupees. Now and we have to find the number of required 15 friends. So the cost of 15 such soaps is equal to friends, this multiply by, because here we need the more thing, more means we have to multiply with 15. Now calculate friends, 3 5 ja 15 and 3 4 ja, so this gives us as rupees friends. Now here friends, this will be divisible by 4. Okay, 4 7 ja 4 1 ja. Now friends, 4 7 ja 28 and 4 1 ja 4, this is the point, and 4 4 ja 16, 1 times 0. Now multiply with 5 friends, 71.40 multiply by 5, so 0 0, 2 is balance, 7, this is 35. Now see, after multiplying we will get 357, 2 times 0, here the 2 times. Now friends, 357 is the required cost that we have to find. So this is answer. I hope you will be clear. Now friends, next question 6 number, because friend question number 2, question number 3, 4, 5, also 6 7, these are all questions are similar. Now see even question number 6, if 12 liter of diesel is consumed by a car in covering a distance of 222 kilometer, how many kilometers will it go in 22 liter of diesel? Very simple friends. Here friends, one thing is very important. Here is the, we have to find the required number of units is here. We have to find the required number of 22. We have to find in 22. That means in 22 liter how far the car goes. Okay, Now if the 12 liter of diesel is consumed by a covering a distance ये 222, that means एक कार जब 12 लीटर डीजल को जब खपत करती है तो कितनी दूर डिस्टेंस तय करती है फ्रेंड्स, 222 किलोमीटर करती है। और मुझे फाइंड कर देना है अगर ये 22 लीटर में वो कितना दूरी जाएगी, हाउ मेनी किलोमीटर, कितना किलोमीटर तय करेगी। नाउ वेरी सिंपल फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट राइट द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट एज इट इज, देन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 1 यूनिट, देन मल्टीप्लाई दिस रिक्वायर्ड नंबर ऑफ लीटर्स 22 एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर। ओके, नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, first copy the first statement as a car consumed 12 liter of diesel for distance friends 222, this is given and we have copied over here. Okay, now first we have find the 1 unit. Okay, a car consumed 1 liter of diesel, 1 लीटर में फाइंड करेंगे कितना हो जाएगा 1 लीटर में, जब 12 लीटर में इतना दूरी तो 1 लीटर में कम चलेगा, कम मीन्स फ्रेंड्स वी हैव टू डिवाइड बिकॉज हियर इज द टू कंसेप्ट, वी फाइंड द लेस and we have to find the more, that means in less we have to divide and in the more we have to multiply. So here friends, now we have to find the required number of units 22, hence 1 liter में इतना, तो then a car consume 22 liter, जब 22 liter consume करेगा, खपत करेगा, then diesel, then the distance क्या होगा, distance covering by this car is 2, this multiply by 22, 22 इसको multiply करेंगे, this is now solved friends, this is 222 multiply by 22 divided by here friends 12. Okay, so friends this 2 6 ja 3 4 ja friends, 3 4 ja 12 and get cancel by 3 3 7 ja friends 21 and 3 4 ja 12. Okay, this friends 2 1 ja 2 1 ja and 2 2 ja 4. Now we'll get 74 multiplied by 11 divided by 2, this 2 1 ja 2 friends and 37 times. Okay, we'll get it. Now the answer friends, your answer is this is 407 kilometer. So this is required answer. That means we can say consuming 22 liter of petrol, a car is consuming 22 liter of petrol and cover the distance by that car is 407 kilometer. Now see friend, next question number 9 says 35 inland liters cost rupees 87.5, how many such liters can we buy for 350 rupees। कह रहा है कि 35 जो लीटर्स की जो कीमत है वो कितनी 87.50 है, तो मुझे फाइंड करना है कि 315 रुपीज़ में कितने लीटर आप बाई कर सकते हैं। ओके, सिंपल फ्रेंड, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कॉपी द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट एज इट इज़। ओके, बट हेयर फ्रेंड्स फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस विल डिसाइड, दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 1 रुपी, दैट मीन्स 1 रुपी में कितना आएगा, देन वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 350 एंड वी विल गेट द आंसर। ओके, नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, in friends 87.50 rupees, later number of letters friends, number of, here write the number of letters, here number of letters friends 35. Okay, so this last number will decide this is what number in this is in rupees, so we have to find the in 1 rupee, then multiply with this rupee. Okay, so this is the value of 1 unit, so this is given we copy it as it is friends, in 8 rupees में number of letters इतना है, इसलिए now in 1 rupee, because we have to find the value of 1 unit, number of letters friends 35 and divided by, sorry 3 is actually 35 divided by friends 87.50 liters. Okay, now इसलिए therefore in 315 rupees में, okay, number of letters friends this write as it is, multiply by 315, and calculate, we will get the answer. Okay friends, now here friends, we can remove this 0, so remove this point friends, here write the 10, so this becomes 35 multiplied by 10 but multiplied by 3 1 5 and divided by friends 8 7 5. I hope friends 875 will get cancelled by 7. Maybe let us check friends. 875 divided by 35. 35 to the friends 70. This is 7, this is 1 and this is 5. Now this will get cancelled by 7. This is 35. Now friends, here we will get, it will get cancelled. 35 1 ja 35 25 times. Okay, now see, 5 5 ja 25 friends and 5 2 ja 10. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 6 ja 30 and then 5 3 ja 15. So 2 multiplied by 63 friends, 3 2 ja 6 and 6 2 ja 20 12. So this is number of letters which is required that we have to find. Now see friends, last question number 10 says, question number 10 is as same friends is question number 1. Cost of 4 dozen bananas is 104 rupees. How many bananas can be purchased for 6.50 rupees? क्वेश्चन कह रहा है फ्रेंड्स कि 4 दर्जन जो केला है वो बनानास कितने में 104 रुपये के है. ओके, तो आप बता दें कि 6.5 रुपीज़ यानी 6 रुपया 50 पैसे में कितने बनाने खरीदे जा सकते हैं. सिंपल फ्रेंड्स, तो हेयर इज़ द रुपीज़ फ्रेंड्स दैट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द 1 रुपीज़, दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू in 1 unit. First we have to find the value of 1 unit, then we can multiply this, we will get. First write the statement friends, in 104 rupees the number of bananas friends, number of the bananas here the 4 dozen. Okay, number of bananas, number of the bananas friends means 4 multiplied by friends 12 because 1 dozen is equal to 12. So 4 dozen means friends this is 48. Now friends, in the 1 rupee, because we have to find the 1 in 1 rupee number of bananas friends, this is 48 and divided by friends 104. Okay, now so therefore in rupees friends what 6.50. Okay, number of bananas friends we have to multiply 48 divided by 104 multiply by 6.50. Okay friends, we can remove this 0 friends, remove this 0. Now calculate, this is 48 friends, if you remove this we will get divided by 10. So this is up is 48 multiplied by 65 and divided by friends this is 104 multiplied by 10. Very simple friends, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15 and 5 2 ja 10 से 2 1 ja 2 and this is 24 times में cancel. Now friends, here thirteen 1 ja 13 and now see here friends, 13 1 ja 13 and 13 8 ja 104 and 8 1 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So number of bananas is equal to friends this is 3. So this 3 means friends in rupees 6.50 we will get the number of bananas as 3. So this is your answer. I hope friends you will enjoy with this video. Now your homework friends, question number 1 to 10, exercise 10C. I hope you will solve all the questions. Have a nice day.